Hmm. Someone's risking, someone's taking a chance. What type of chance is this? But this is something here, no? Na parang with this water, because my attention is being drawn with the water right here, I think this is something more likely about the emotions, but there's also mental, like thoughts also is involved right here. So let's see. But there's an energy of the feeling ng in love. Yeah. Woohoo! Sino na naman kaya tong in love dito, no? Ginawa mo na ba yung assignment mo? Nanay. Okay? Or ginawa mo na ba yung pinapagawa ng boss mo sa'yo? Tapos mo na ba yung reports mo? Yan. So, let us see what's happening. Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides, thank you so much for always being present. Kasama na rin yung mga ancestors ng aking mga collective people or sa aking mga nakshis. Sa mga bago, nakshis meaning to say, parang term yun, no, na mga anak, no. So, ako ang inyong second mom dito sa channel na iti. Okay. Or don't call me Omma. Just call me Yana only. Okay? Or Ate Yan. Okay. Alright, let's see what's happening right here. But I'm sensing, the breeze that I'm feeling right now is so refreshing. Right. Hmm. Oh, wow. Teka. Okay. Six of Wands. Wow. Pero, wow, babes, no? Nakikita ko rito, no, right off the bat right here, huwag ka muna mag-give up, okay? Huwag ka muna mag-give up, no? If you like someone right here, no, and you continuously pinapakita, no, or sinushow mo yung inyong affection and love para sa kanya, no, and you feel like almost giving up, huwag muna, no? I'm seeing you thinking about giving up right here, no, pero wag! Woo! Kasi nakita ko rito, no, na Knight of Swords energy, Two of Cups right here, Lovers right here, no, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? That this person right here, ayaw niya ring mag-give up ka sa kanya dito, no? I was being reminded by that song, no? Don't give up on us, baby. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay? I'm seeing na this person right here, no, is nakapag-isip-isip siya rito about your connection. So, I do pick up na meron ditong courting stage or courtship. May ligawan stage na kayong dalawa. Wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. So, yeah, before we talk more or dive deeper into this reading of yours, let me just make bati everybody first. Ano ba yan? Miss yan! Pabitin, yan mga babes, no? Siyempre, papatingin ko muna, ano ba? Diba? Kailangan may ganon. So, hi and hello, new viewers. My name is Yan. Welcome here sa aking mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay and support and love for me. So, yeah, if hindi pa ako kilala ng mga bagong viewers, my name is Yan. Okay? And yun nga, no, sana magstay kayo kasama ng mga pabalik-balik kong mga tambayers and subscribers. So, yeah, wala tayong gender dito. You know that. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin magkapalit-palit yung roles dahil general reading ito. And at the end of the day, you hold your free will with you na malaya niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere, of course, no? It's up to you. Ibig sabihin ganon, no? And just take only what resonates. Timeless din po ito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na to some of you. To some of you, nangyayari ngayon sa kasalukuyan. And to some, possible na mangyayari sa kanilang future. But there's this strong evidence that whoever this person is, you keep on pushing, I mean, pinupush mo rito yung iyong efforts, pinupush mo rito yung pagpurso mo sa kanya, no? Like, every day, you're very dedicated, no? Sa pagpapakita ng iyong feelings and emotions for this person right here, no? And this is you. You are someone na hindi naman sa chini-chase mo siya, but you're just making this person here know that he or she is special sa inyo. So, I think this is you. You like this person here so much, no? Yan. And you probably do a lot of actions, no, na nagpapakita ng pagmamahal mo para sa kanya. Maybe you cook food, no? Or maybe this is you, marunong ka man magluto or hindi, no? You make aral, you're watching YouTube videos right here, no? Or other videos, no? To cook food for this person right here. Excuse me, you know, alam mo kapag ka nasundan mo naman yung tamang excuse me, no? My throat is, you know, kasi nga, nagpe-prepare tong person na to to speak out. Someone is running after you, you know. Someone here is running after you. And this is, walang duda, the person that you like, the person that you love, the person you want to be in a relationship with. See, Two of Cups energy. You know? Bakit ang taas ng energy ko? Because this is something here that you really want. This is the star card energy. This is your wish. This is your pangarap right here in Tagalog. This is your dream. This is your goal. This is what you want. Okay? So this is something here that you probably na parang nakikita mo, no, na pag naging kayo or nagkaroon kayo ng relationship nito, like, you can conquer the whole world. Kaya mo nang lampasan lahat ng challenges, no, na darating sa life mo. Mapatrabaho, mapapera, dealings with other connections sa workplace, sa business, sa career, job, sa inyong any areas of your life, no? Like, kaya mo na yun lahat lampasan, no? So, I think this is one of your biggest wish right here, no? But, I'm seeing you na malapit ka na give up, sweetheart. No! Don't give up on us, baby. You know? Hindi ako yung kayong relationship niyo, ha? But this person right here wants me to tell you guys, huwag ka daw mag-give up sa kanya, sweetheart, no? Don't give up on us, baby. Yan, no? Kasi this person right here also likes you back. This person right here also loves you back. Kaya naman kung sino tong energy na to, na this person right here, na pag-isip-isip niya rito, no? Na kayo ay na-assess niya rito na may feelings rin siya for you guys, no? Na kayo ay gusto din niya, na kayo ay mahal din niya. So, this person right here, no, pwedeng matagal mo na siyang minamahal. With the Ace of Wands energy, you're always looking for a brighter future. You're always showing your best shots para ipakita rito sa tao na to, no, that you are someone na a good person, malinis yung intention mo sa kanya, and your love is pure, no? Like, you're not pressuring him or her, no? But maybe this is you, pwedeng wala ka masyadong nare-receive or nakikitang actions na gusto ka rin niya, no? But this person, I'm seeing him or her running after you, almost chasing you guys. And my throat is really reacting right now. So definitely this person here is preparing to speak out, to spill the beans, to spill the tea, that he or she also likes you, loves you back. See, you know that practicing, no, this person is practicing, no, clearing his or her throat. There's something in his or her throat chakra, no, there's something going on. Because this person here is about to confess, no. This person here is realizing that he also merong feelings for you guys, no. I'm seeing you, okay, na panalo ka dito. With the Six of Wands energy. Panalo ka to have this person right here. Okay? So, nakita ka dito, no, na ikaw ito, na magkakaroon dito ng dagdag confidence in you. And I'm seeing you, for some reason, I'm seeing a child. I'm seeing you creating a family with this person in the future. Yeah. Wow. See? Because this is what you're thinking, no? With the Ace of Swords energy, Four of Cups and Knight of Pentacles, you think, no, nakikita kitang lumalayo ng unti-unti sa kanya because you think na hindi kanya nagugustuhan, like hindi kanya rito type or hindi kanya rito love, no? But this person right here, no, I think hindi lang siya showy or maybe this person right here is inalam na talaga muna niya, like inobserve niya muna yung feelings and emotions niya if love talaga yung nararamdaman niya for you, no? Then after so much analyzations right here, after assessments, no, this person figured out na mahal ka din pala niya. That's why the lovers is here. That's why there's this success, there's this winning moment in love here for you guys. I'm seeing you slowly moving on from this person. Alam mo kung ba't mo binabagalan? At alam mo kung bakit ang bagal rin ng pag-move on mo sa kanya? Yan o, isipin mo may kabayo ka naman pero naglakad ka dun. At ang lupit mo mga babes na wala ka pang suot dyan na ano, sa pinsa paa. So, ibig sabihin talagang ang pagbagal ng pag-move on mo ay para maabutan ka niya rito. Kasi hinahabol ka niya, sweetheart. You know? Hahabulin ka niya rito, babes. You know? Because this person here also wants na maging ganito kayo. Yeah, there could be differences right here. Pwedeng differences sa inyong skin color. Look at those skin colors, no? Maybe someone here is darker than the other or someone here is whiter or fairer than the other. But with the presence of equal Two of Cups energy, the flow is very equal right here. So I'm seeing you na magkakaroon kayo rito ng equal reciprocity sa isa't isa. So definitely, the wreath right here is tagumpay. So there's definitely a tagumpay right here because your wish is about to come true. Manifested, new beginning, and Ace of Wands energy in love. So kung sino man siya dito, definitely an evidence of possible na may differences sa skin color, height differences, religion differences, what else? Maybe with the dialects right here, kinalakihan na beliefs and tradition. I'm seeing that whoever this person is, despite of all the differences right here, you are perfect because you have this equal understanding, like because of your love or kung magkakaroon dito ng love, there is enough love para magpatuloy ang inyong connection. This person here with the Eight of Coins energy will work on this relationship and definitely with the World card, boom! New chapter in love. So, nakikita ko dito, no, na, okay, ang pagbagal ng iyo ritong pag-move on ay para mahabol ka niya. Oh! Kaya don't give up kasi ito na ang Prince Charming mo. Ito na yung person na gusto mo na maka-holding hands, ang person na gusto mo maka-kiss, person na gusto mo maka-hug, ang person rito na gusto mo no, na makita everyday, want to sawa. This person is someone na talagang gustong-gusto mo, no? And this is something here na wish fulfillment because this is you almost giving up right here, no? But you also, hindi mo rin na-imagine na magkakagusto siya sa'yo, pero it will happen. And it happened already to some of you, and to some of you, it will happen, you know? This person here will come running after you, chasing you, and tell you that he or she is also feeling the same way too, you know? So definitely, this person here is coming after you. Wow! Kaya naman, wag mo muna siyang sukuan. Bagalan mo pa ang paglakad, sweetheart, dahil para mahabol ka niya. So muli ako pang inyong yan na Oni. Sarang hey, love and light, happy Sundays, mga my loves na mga babes, and thank you for always being here with me. Okay, kinikilig ako sa inyong presence right here, no, kaya mas lalo akong na-in love. Yan o! Ang sarap na feeling ng in love ka. So yeah, ito mga mensahe here for you guys. And again, hey, love and light, have a nice day, and annyeong!